Okay, so you're watching this lab link really quick. It's telling you how to do this. So what you should do is download the density lab here. And remember, we're calculating density for three different things. Volume is length times width times height. Density is mass divided by volume. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose three different blocks. You're going to find their masses, length, width, and height. And then from length, width, and height, calculate volume. So as an example, if the length was, let's say 2 centimeters, this was 3 centimeters, and this was 4 centimeters. Nice. Then when I come to volume, it would be length times width times height. So 2 times 3 times 4 is equal to 6 times 4, 24 cubic centimeters, centimeters cubed. Okay, right, and then my density, wow, why is this going so slow? Here we go. Let's say the mass that I found, right, is, let's say 48 grams. I'm just making this up. That means that my density, and this is what I'd like you to show at least for work, is 48 divided by 24 cubic centimeters, which is equal to 48 divided by 24, 2 grams per cubic centimeter. And that's my density problem that I'm solving for here. Okay, and then color, you'd put whatever color it is. So now you're thinking like, okay, like how do I actually do that? And this is pretty simple lab here. But how do I actually get that information? So if you go back to your Monday folder, right here you have images to complete the lab. So open it up. And so let's say I chose my color could be milky, white, gray, black, or clear. And then I'm just finding the length, width, and height. So here this is the white weight or mass. Sorry, this should say mass. So here's clear height, clear length. So I'm looking for clear width in here. There's the mass and the width. So I just open the image, and then I could zoom in and be like, okay, there's 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3.1234 in between, so like 3.45 centimeters. And then I would go back and write that in for my, what's the name of this image? Well, let me X out here. My clear width, so then I would write it into my document, clear width, and calculate that from there. All right, have a great day, guys. Let me know if you have questions. Bye.